Hey you guys, excuse me for the noise in advance. My heater's on. It's very cold in this house, so that's why it's on. Today is the last day of me doing my maintenance vlog, transformation vlog at home. I want to do my nails, do my makeup, find an outfit to wear. I might show y'all that. I got something from Pretty Little Thing. It is February 4th, Thursday. This is literally my last day that I'm going to be doing this transformation. I'm going to make sure I get everything done today. But this transformation was so much. Well, this maintenance transformation was a lot to do. And if you made it this far, thank you so much. You are a real one. I do this for y'all. I love making YouTube videos. I don't want to stop making YouTube videos. I've been kind of like not wanting to do it a little bit, but I'm going back in and I'm just gonna do it the way I, envisioned. But if you watched it this far, thank you so much. Thank you for even watching my videos throughout, all of it, like even me rambling sometimes. I appreciate it. So let's just get right into this. I'm going to, what time is it? It's 12:40. It's very late. All I have to say, y'all, this video is beginning to be too long. Thank you guys for listening, and I will see you guys tomorrow when we finish the entire look. Hey you guys, good morning. So I did tell you guys that I was gonna wake up at around 9. So it's 9:49 now. It's almost 10. I'm trying to finish up this video, and the reason why I'm doing so many talking parts because it's a vlog, it's an at-home vlog, so I just want to tell you guys my experiences and stuff. But yeah, we're gonna finish it up today. I already did everything I needed to do for now, and then what else do I have to do? I have a lot of stuff to do today. Thank you guys for sticking around. If you're still watching this video, thank you so much. Just want to check in with y'all and let y'all know my plans. I will be setting up and stuff and just getting ready to film the last days of this video. It's been, I don't even know when I started doing this video. I think I just started doing it on the 26th of January. So it's taking a little longer than I expected it to be. Trying on a wig, like doing everything for a wig is very, especially for a beginner, like even watching videos is not enough. I feel like you have to practice and keep practicing more before you get before you get the hang of it. It's a lot when you are a beginner to wigs. It's not as easy as everybody makes it seem out to be. I mean, it's cool and all, but it's not that easy. Like, you really have to practice. That's the only way you're gonna get better, obviously, if you just practice. Buy wigs, practice on them, and all this other stuff. So I'm pretty sure I showed you guys my wigs already. It's too long because I already feel like this video is gonna be way too long. I'm gonna have to really cut a lot of stuff off this video. Okay, you guys, I'm doing a voiceover, so let's get started. I'm showing you guys the Kamaya wig and the lace, and basically just how it's constructed. And it has those 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, and I used the House of Rules, kind of like a fake scalp kind of situation where it's not so apparent that the grids are on this wig. And now I'm just going to use my concealer to conceal the lace to make it match with my skin tone, and I'm brushing out the hair, make sure it's untangled, because this hair does tangle. So I gotta do what I gotta do to make it look good. I'm basically customizing this wig to my liking. I have this mannequin, this old mannequin that my mom had that I found, so I'm just gonna use that to style this wig the way I want it. Make sure I take the baby hairs, style it up, do what I need to do, spruce it up, work my magic, and see how it turns out, y'all. Just sit back, watch it, and I'll come back when I have something else to say. So enjoy me customize this wig to my liking.
Oh, and before I go, I want to say it was kind of hard customizing this wig because the mannequin was like, it's not secure, so it was moving around a lot. I'm trying to see if I can purchase something so it can just stay on top of it, so I can customize wigs if I need be, just to make it easier on me. But I did purchase these clips that I'm clipping obviously to the hair from Shop Miss A, so I will link every product that I use. I'm going to link it down below, so you guys can purchase it on your own if you want to. So yeah, like I said, it was kind of difficult to customize the wig because the mannequin was moving around a lot, but I finally figured it out, and that's what I'm doing, trying to really make sure I customize this wig the way I want it to look, so it's more realistic and natural. So that's exactly what I'm doing. So I just want to let y'all know that right quick. Alright y'all, so this is what it looks like when I pushed when I customized the baby hairs and just to get the hair out of the way. So now we are getting into installing this wig. Finally, it's been a minute. Okay, let's get to it. So I'm going to make sure that it's on my head correctly. I have this stocking cap as well. I think it's better to use a black stocking cap when dealing with, I guess, the melted hairline series, or even dealing with a wig in general. But I do have a brown wig cap as well too. I will link that down below. So now all the things that I did to this hair, customize it, I'm basically going to install it, and it just makes it so much easier to install it that way. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I also wanted to see if I was going to create any baby hairs, but I think I just left it alone, at least to the front part. But I did end up creating some baby hairs on the sides where my ears are, so just make it a little bit more flattering for my size head. I mean, I don't have a big size head, but you know, I gotta make sure it looks good and not clockable. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm using my black Godspeed gel. It's not a black gel, but it's like clear gel. So I'm putting that on top of my head first, and then I'm going to spray with the Godspeed Freeze Spray just to make sure my wig is secure, because I want it slipping and sliding and doing all types of things. So that's exactly what I'm doing, and I'm trying to make sure it's positioned correctly. And I want to take my edge wrap, and I'm going to wrap my edges down, and then I'm going to see if I should customize it just a little bit more. Here are the products that I did buy from Amazon. I bought some edge control gel from She Is Bomb. I wanted to try it so bad. So it smells nice, it's really good. I will do a review on it. And I also got the hair stick and the Simply Styling spray. Okay, y'all, I wasn't playing no games with these products, okay? They helped me so much, and I'll explain a little bit more later. Now I look presentable, I look cute. Just checking it out, using my brush, see if I can get the tangles out, and yeah, okay, I'm looking so good. You can't tell me nothing. Okay, y'all, let's get to the makeup. I did the most simple makeup you can ever do. I just put primer on my face just for a base. I wasn't planning on doing no foundation, no none of that. I just put some primer on there just to give me like a moisturized feel for my skin so it's not so dry. And we are going to be doing the brows, doing the eyes, and all that. I'm being very, very light with my touches for this brows. I'm not doing anything dramatic. It's very simple, very natural, and I wanted to make sure it was good. So now I'm using my eye primer. I haven't used this primer in a minute, but I think it's new. I think I bought it like months ago or whatever the case may be, but it's still good. So I put that on my lids and to make the base perfect for my eyeshadow. And then I also haven't used this product either, my Shop Miss A palette. It has so many beautiful purples and browns that I just had to use it. So I'm going to put that all over my lids. And yeah. I have this eyeshadow palette from Fenty. It's the number 8 eyeshadow palette, and it has a lot of shimmer shades in the palette. So I'm going to be using that in the inner corner of my eyes. But I also have this brown in this palette that I will use first, and then I will add the color on top using the Fenty Beauty palette. So that's what I'm doing for my eyes, and it's very, very simple. Y'all, you see how simple that is? It's crazy. I wasn't trying to be dramatic or none of that. So now I'm going to see if I'm going to be putting on some lashes. I think that I will. So let's get right into that. I'm using my eye curler. With this eye curler, it was so easy for me to apply my mascara, which I also got from Shop Miss A. Shop Miss A, I use that so religiously. And I also use this Fenty Beauty crayon kind of stick and put that in the middle too as well to make a little bit of a purple hue to it. And now I'm going to put on my mascara to, you know, make my lashes a little bit longer, so when I apply the lashes, it just makes it so like, it makes it pop so much more. And I'm also going to be using another AOA product, the Paw Paw Charity lashes. I freaking love these lashes, and I'm doing it in the style Shelby. Shelby is so just gorgeous, flattering, sexy. I can't even with that lash. I freaking love Shop Miss A products. I told y'all, now I'm kind of feeling myself a little bit. I'm looking at myself in the mirror before I even apply the second lash to this. But this look is just so simple and cute, and it only took me a little bit. It didn't even take me long to even do this whole makeup look, but it looks so freaking pretty. And then I'm going to be using my hair wax stick from She Is Bomb. When I tell you, that wax stick is so much better for those flyaways that you get with wigs sometimes. So I'm just making sure everything is good. Everything looks perfect. So I'm just basically touching it up, brushing it a little bit, look at myself in the mirror, you know what I'm saying, feeling myself, taking some selfies. Bro, I'm crazy. Okay, let me stop playing, y'all. I had to get myself together because I am just so now I'm putting some powder on the part just a little bit to make it blend a little bit more. Now we are getting to the nails, my favorite part. You guys know I love my nails. I always get my nails from Claw Collective. I've done 2 videos on these nails, so I will leave them down below. But you guys already know the deal with these nails. You already know how I do them. Like I said, I will link all the videos down below, so y'all can go in and watch them if y'all love nail videos, which I love nail videos. Go ahead and watch those videos. But I'm not gonna talk too much with this. Y'all already know the deal. Just sit back and enjoy, and I'll come back later. All right, you guys, this is the finished look for these nails. I swear to you, these look so freaking good. I love Claw Collective. Y'all, get y'all some nails from her. She bomb.
Okay, you guys, this is the end of this video. I did my makeup, I did my nails, and this is my outfit. I will show you guys a little bit more about it in the further clips, but it's super cute and just a gorgeous top. I love my nails so much. It doesn't really match with my top, but I thought it was still cute in a certain way, so it is what it is. This video took so much in me, y'all. Like, I'm even tired. I'm literally tired. But yeah, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications on for more videos with me. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching till the end of this video. I appreciate it. The hair is still flowing and doing its thing, so that's good. I'm so happy that it's over technically, but I'm also glad that I got to show you guys these different looks and stuff. So yeah, that's it. Yes, you guys, that is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn your post notifications on, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.